Hey guys, it's Darren Krigler here from Electric Motorcycle Builds. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and I'm super stoked. I wanted to post a video and show you guys this new sample motor that I just received from Golden Motor. This is the new 11 kilowatt Hypertorque motor by Golden Motor. This thing is a beautiful beast. Jeez, oh Pete, it looks so good. This thing's gone through several iterations of design and testing, and this is the real deal. They've made about 100 of these for the first run, and they sent me one to test and demo for the group. So I'm going to be putting this motor into a 2008 KFX 450R quad chassis, and I've already got most of the build already almost there. It's got the motor mount plate, battery, and the controller mounting. So I've just been waiting for this motor, and I'm super excited to get it in the quad. The great thing about this motor is it's 72 volt, and it has an insane amount of torque, like almost double the amount of torque as a comparable size motor would have. A radial flux motor, generally around this size, would have around 60 to 70 to 80 peak Newton meters of torque, whereas this motor has 160. That's like double the amount of torque, and a maximum RPM of around 4,400. So with this motor, I have tested it, the earlier iterations in the dirt bike chassis, and using the VAC 8000 controller, I was able to hit top speed of around 85 miles per hour and still have really good low end torque for going through the woods, lifting the tire up over logs, popping wheelies through parking lots, whatever. The bike has power all the way from stop position up to 84 miles per hour. So the increased amount of torque in this motor makes an unbelievable difference compared to previous motors that I've used. So I'm super excited about getting it in the quad. I'm planning to use a sprocket ratio and tire size on the quad. I'm shooting to achieve around the same amount of wheel torque as a Stark Varg. That's my goal. So keep an eye out. I'll be posting some build videos in the next week. I am off work, so I have plenty of time to work on this thing. I'll be making some videos showing the progress of the build and also demoing how the motor performs. So yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff. And hit me up with any comments, questions. Let me know, what do you think of this motor? What would you put it in if you had one? Ask me any questions you need to. Look forward to posting some videos, talking to you guys soon. Take care.